Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, I want to talk about digital marketing, how you can get started, and what the program is that I'm promoting currently. So, digital marketing is just the fact of promoting something online. A course, an ebook, a guide, a template, a calendar, an email template, a recipe, anything that's online and digital is digital marketing. Okay? So I'm doing digital marketing around a course called Luxe Income Lounge. Okay? Now, why is digital marketing so profitable? Okay. Now, right now, I'm a affiliate for Lux Income Lounge, and you get 85% commission. You see here, there's 6,000 members. Okay. So it must be working. And I'm going to take you into the testimonials, the modules, why you should join Lux Income Lounge, what the benefits are, what you get from me when you join with the link in the description, and how you can start making money. So, digital marketing, you're just creating content around a product or service that you're selling. Okay. And this is where most people fall off. It's not joining the program. It's not the program doesn't work. The program works. You're just not creating content to drive traffic. That's where I fell off the first time I tried to do this years ago. I figured if I didn't get sales in a week, it failed. And that's not true. Okay. You have to keep creating content just like on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. Your content goes down people's feeds and then it fades out. So you have to create content every day. Unlike YouTube, if you post a video with search terms like Lux Income Lounge Review, people are searching for, they're always going to come up. Okay? So you have to stay consistent with content, and the biggest recommendation that I recommend is using Claude. That's the biggest game changer for me because I can ask it, what is a viral or a good piece of content to post today? Now, today I've posted 6 pieces of content on TikTok, and I'm doing this one YouTube video. So we're going to go through these testimonials and look, because consistency is key. When you keep making content and keep showing up, people see consistency and they like that. So we're going to go over to the testimonials tab. And this program, the testimonials are amazing. Okay. I signed up with the creator. I found her on live. Her name is Miranda. And she is a nurse that is now a millionaire. Okay. So let me see. Not new to this, but true to this. 3K brand deal. And I'm going to tell you why you don't have to just sell Lux. Okay? Made my first money from the program. Okay? It's another UGC deal. More than a $17 sale. I created my first ebook, The Single Mom Blueprint, thanks to Lux. And one of my Lux family members just purchased it. I'm a single mom working full time. Okay? I don't even know where to begin. I'm incredibly grateful. A single mom of 2 amazing autistic boys. Every extra dollar means more than money. It means, and then she posted a screenshot. Okay? $1,047. Guys, this is amazing. Okay? People are making money. Another small win from letter writing. Give yourself grace. 1K day yesterday. Don't ever quit. I've made 227 in my first 24 hours. 82K in 64 days. 10,400 in 7 days. And I'm going to tell you why this is important, okay? This isn't just from reselling Lux, okay? So you have your Start Here module, your affiliate module that you'll sign up for if you want to resell the course like I'm doing. Starting from ground zero, Okay? Your live recordings. So we do meet 4 times a week, guys. Miranda holds sessions 4 times a week. And what's unique about Luxe, another thing, is you're going to get 2 communities, a private mentorship community, and you're going to get Luxe. So it's 2 communities for one price. Plus, I'm going to set up your stand store if you want me to, and I will give you your first digital product. Okay, so here's all the live recordings if you miss any of them. Mindset. You have to change your mindset. This is a very important module because before you start making money, you have to have a good mindset. Claim your lane. I bought the course. Now what? Brand building, identity over limitation. It's not the course, it's your content. This is so important. Okay? You can sell anything you want, okay? If you get good at content. That is the cheat code. You can start digital marketing. You don't have to sell Luxe, and we're going to get into this. You can create your own digital product and sell it, okay? Lead by example, income skills, target audience, the power of being coachable, clarity to cash, the Scale Method by Justin Springer. It's an amazing module. Attraction Code, how to attract people, how to close sales in the DMs. The Product Lab, Amazon Influencer. So you can create your own product in Luxe. You can do Amazon reviews. You can do user-generated content and make money. You can do letter writing. You can become a virtual assistant, make $3,000+ a month. Airbnb arbitrage. This is a brand new module that just dropped a couple days ago. TikTok Live Success System. Okay? Selling in your stories if you like Instagram. Creating with Claude. I love Claude. Claude is amazing. Okay? Here's the Resource Vault. Here's creating on Canva. The Gen X module. Then we've got Luxbot by ChatGPT. You can create your AI twin. Okay, so if you don't want to show your face, you can create an AI twin. PLR Vault. Okay, promo material, elevated emails, and invisible influence. Okay, so you click the link in the description, you purchase the course. Now what? When you join Luxe and you get access, okay, it says right here, new to Luxe, your first 3 steps are here. Okay? You read this. Okay? Right now, they're having a member incentive. Okay? Today through August 31st. So if you join from now through August 31st, every new member who joins Luxe has a chance to earn extra money. Here's the challenge. You join Luxe, you make your first 2 sales within your first 7 days, and you receive a $150 Visa gift card. Okay? So if you come in and take action, you can make some extra money. Okay? You can also do master resale rights is also available if you want to do that. Luxe merch, yes or no? Okay. Okay, y'all, I need the Luxe committee to clock in real quick. These are 2 possible merch ideas I'm playing around with, and I need to know. There's a shirt. Everybody's loving it. Guys, this community is awesome. Okay? Life's Lessons, week 3. Follow my Instagram, newbie. Like, we all support each other. Did my first live today. Not new to this, but 3K brand deal. Made my first money from the program. People are winning over here. And it's because of the community and meeting 4 times a week to answer any of your questions. So you're not just thrown in a classroom and said, okay, you bought the course, now we can just leave you to figure it out yourself. We're all a group here, and we will all help everybody get sales and figure out why they're failing and what they need to work on. Okay? So if you're interested in starting digital marketing and getting rid of your 9 to 5 job, digital marketing is the cheat code. You can post content every single day and then put your phone down. Okay? But you have to stay consistent, and then the sales start rolling in. So I just wanted to do the review of Luxe, and I hope that you find this video helpful. I hope you end up joining my Luxe income team. I have not made a sale yet, but I'm very hopeful because this program is amazing. And I'm a part of a couple of communities. If you've been a part of my YouTube channel for a while, but this community is fire. Miranda does lives on TikTok every morning. So if you want to chat with her, you can. Look her up on TikTok, Miranda LPN number 5, I think it is, or .5. And join us in there. This community is fire. If you want to start digital marketing, this is where you need to be. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified of new videos, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening.